Wait.
Playing games no more.
That's what I'm trying to do. Fix it. There you go. It's like instrumental, but that's like government. Like I don't see that. Half of it like that. Yeah. So good.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Like, perfect. So I can.
Golden ratio. That's one I adjusted to.
I mean, you didn't do it. I had to fix it.
Looking over here, you've been dying to get in.
Yes.
What's up, guys?
ASMR.
Welcome back to another episode of Unbiased. You know what it is.
Yeah, I am your co-host, Kevin Bujak.
And I'm your co-host, Bond Hurley.
All right, y'all. So, we are going to dive right in with our first and favorite segment of the week. What do we got on our feet? So, I don't know who went first last week, so I'll just hit you with it. I'm going with the very clean, very classic, old school black Vans, leather toe, leather heel cap, and inside all leathered. I don't know, they're very clean, they're very comfortable, and they just really go with everything. What doesn't black and white go with? They're perfect.
Especially Vans.
Especially Vans.
I think Sneaker Freaker magazine just did a article today about 5
Staple
essential
shoes.
shoes that you need in your closet, and that was one of them.
Yeah, exactly.
Speaking of another one on that list, the white Air Force One. You know I've worn Air Force Ones twice on the show now. Yeah, there's a little ink dot. These are my studio beaters. I just felt like wearing my Air Forces today.
Ain't nothing wrong.
Yeah.
And aren't those like special because they have the bigger swoosh or something?
Yeah, they're the Air Force One Premium. So
Premiums.
the swoosh is bigger, the leather is higher quality, and the tongue, instead of having help me with the word here.
Instead of having a
It is leather instead of what would that
tab.
pull tab? But what would the pull tab be made out of? What is that? Like a synthetic,
yeah, like a fabric, I
Yeah,
guess.
fabric.
Just like fabric.
It's a leather. It's a premium leather.
Premium
So you
leather.
pay an extra $20 to get
for
a premium pair.
premium leather. All right, so don't have a like a full blood accessory this week when we're going to talk about Supreme, but I am rocking today the fall winter 2015. I want to say 2015 box logo crew neck on camo, on the forest green camo.
Very nice.
This was the only time ever that I can recall they did a camo box logo. So, right?
Yeah, that's the only time I know of. Yeah.
Only time they've done this camo box logo. Like way long ago, they did like a camo box logo, like the patch, but not like
I remember that one. Yeah.
not like the fabric. So this piece is like extra cool to me because of that, and I am a big fan of it for such. And you just don't see these out there, I feel like, at least. So I'm a big fan of these.
Pretty sick.
Yeah. And today was day one, drop 1 of fall winter 19.
We got a video coming for that.
Yeah.
You'll see a lot of angry Kevin and then a lot of happy Kevin.
Oh man. Come on, do it.
Do it. Show me what you got.
Like it went to process my payment, and then it said oh, you're beat. Come on!
Now y'all get to see the real side of Kevin.
Hey!
Dropping
Got it.
today. Nice.
Got it. Secured, son.
10x Pro. We also had the Kith Bear Brick drop today.
Yeah, Kith Bear Brick.
It was a big day, and they both dropped at 11.
I know. Like,
I was
really pulling dedication in different ways, you know?
Yeah, I think it's funny. Everyone in the comments on social media was like, bold move by Kith. And it's like, Kith does money program every week at 11. Like, what are they going to do? Switch it for Supreme?
Yo, but they could have done like a weaker release, you know? Like
they came out swinging.
They came out swinging with 2 box logo
Ronnie
t-shirts,
came out swinging.
1 box logo full print hoodie, and
then
then
shirts,
kid shirts, and then of course your
Bear
Bear Brick in 1,000 and 400, correct?
100 and 400.
100 and 400. Wow, had that all kinds of backwards.
Yeah.
The 1000s.
The 1000s
are
the
like
massive
the ones
ones.
that like come
They're
up
a
to your
couple
hip.
grand.
Yeah, that come straight up to your hip.
It's funny they don't sell those on StockX.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
I guess
I was
they're
looking the
too
other day.
easily faked, maybe.
Hard to ship, I think, too. They're
Yeah,
heavy.
that would be incredibly hard to ship. I can't even imagine like does StockX have up the off-white IKEA collab where they had like mirrors and clocks and stuff?
That hasn't officially come out yet. I know some people have it. I don't know how they got it.
I know on StockX they have the rugs.
But those came out separately. Those came out with the artist collection.
Okay. Yeah, like I know like Virgil, like a part of his IKEA collection, he did like a couple chairs, at least one standing mirror, wall clocks,
A Mona
like,
Lisa.
paintings, like various like paintings and stuff.
And then
So,
he
like,
did
I
a bag
couldn't-
too, I think, especially
like,
the IKEA bag, because every hype
yeah.
beast in the planet uses those to carry sneakers to stores.
Like I couldn't even imagine like yeah, I'm waiting for my off-white like recliner from StockX.
Yes,
Like I couldn't even imagine that coming.
That's like when people try to buy like the motorcycle off StockX, the Supreme
Yeah,
motorcycle.
literally.
Speaking of which, let's go over some of the stuff that's coming out this season that hasn't come out yet. Let's talk about some of the accessories. Let's talk about two key ones we should talk about. We should talk about the burner phone. How do you feel about the burner phone?
So stupid. I don't know. I personally kind of think it's dumb.
I think
I'm not that big of a fan.
it's
not
cool.
that big of a fan.
I think it's cool. I think it's probably one of the most impractical accessories ever.
Oh my god.
And it was funny because you know that reseller that we see at New York Resale all the time, the one that's on Complex that does interviews, the big dude with the beard.
Yeah.
He did an interview with Complex talking about the new Supreme items and how they're gonna flip or not.
Right.
And he talked about the burner phone. And he said, "I love this," but he said it's gonna fuck up every group chat on the planet because someone is gonna put the SIM card in it and join the group chat. And you're going to have all iPhones,
God.
and then a non-iPhone's going to get in, and it's all going to all green. And I was thinking, wow, I didn't even think about that. You know someone in
kinda
your
funny.
friend group's going to do that.
Yeah, that is kind of funny.
Which is reckless.
Like insanely impractical. I don't think that piece will have such a high resale.
No.
But in week 1, we saw the Voodoo doll, the Pyrex, measuring cup, of course, the Timex watches, digital watches in gold and silver.
Which are... they're a great piece, and they're going down. Buy them now. Because I bet you in 6 months, they're going to be back up.
Like, you got to find that happy medium. So if you want it, I would watch it, like, daily. That's a daily watcher.
I would wait one more day. I bet it'll drop another $30, $40.
No. I think it'll drop a good bit within a week, like about a week from today.
You don't think it's going to go back up after that?
It might, but I think it's going to reach its lowest point in about a week and a half when everybody receives their online orders.
No, you're right.
Because, like, people are going to be like, yeah, I'm going to rock the shit out of that. They get it in the mail, look at it. Nah, I don't want that StockX. So, say only, like, 10% of the people who bought them to wear are going to sell them. That's still, like, a better flood, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
So watch it. I would say watch it for about a week, but if you see like heavy signs of it definitely going up, then pull the trigger and make your purchase.
True.
But it's an interesting piece. It's one of the best accessories out of the entire season, in my opinion.
How are we feeling about the dirt bike though?
Oh, it's ridiculous.
How much do you think that's gonna be over $5,000?
Oh no, I bet you start. I bet you it'll be 20. No lie. I'm pretty sure
because of the branding. It's a low. One thing that I don't know anything about motorcycles, so if I quote this wrong,
offend anybody,
trash me in the comments.
Just trash them anyway.
Apparently, yeah, that too. I heard it's a 2500, which and from what I know is a very low powered dirt bike.
I don't know. All I know is that like I want to check it out, like more realistic pictures of it. So like I googled like I think it was 250. I think is what it was.
Okay, yeah.
It was like a Honda something 250 cc or something.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's exactly it for sure. But I know I like copied it right off the Supreme website, looked it up, like Google Images and like Honda website, and they're full size, man. Like they're
real dirt bikes. Yeah, no.
No, they're like I bet you like if you took that like to DMV, you could get that like registered.
Well,
and
you
get plates
can.
for
You
it.
have to get a kit to put. You have to put like turn signals on it.
Right. Oh, but
They
you
don't
don't think it doesn't come with
It
one?
doesn't come. Dirt bikes don't come with it almost ever.
Okay.
They have to be modded.
Okay.
But one thing that the dude pointed out was, once the people that get them, you'll never see them resell because the people that they would resell them are the people that ride dirt bikes, and anyone that likes dirt bikes is not gonna buy an expensive bike that then they have to, like Like, 'cause let's say it resells
Exactly.
for $40,000. They're not gonna try to put a new engine in it, which I don't even know if you can do on a dirt bike. But even then, the frame's not made for it. So you have to replace all these different parts. No
Yeah,
one's
so
going to do
that's
that
a
to
very
the
good-
you know what I mean?
That's a
and
very
you're not
good
going to sell
point.
it to pro riders because they're even though they might want to ride their Supreme bike in the competition, no one's going to want to buy a lower powered model for a competition.
No, that's a very good point. Like I feel like it's going to do something similar to what the pinball machine did, like 8 or 9. No, like realistically, like 15, 20, like crazy hypebees, like freaked out all over the internet. They got them, and then you stopped hearing about them.
And then you see them in businesses. They pop
And-
up in a resale store.
Exactly. Like they're gonna be like
People
in
take photos with them, or in case of pinball, they like have competitions where highest score at the end of the day gets a certain gift certificate.
Urban Necessity does that.
Yeah,
like
exactly.
they do like the highest score for every day of the month, get to come back, and I think they win like $1,000 or something.
So that's all you're gonna
That's
see it. You're
cool.
gonna see it in stores.
Exactly.
And
So-
rappers taking photos with it. That's really it.
Exactly. Like you're gonna see like one
And
like
a really rich hype beast on YouTube.
no, like you're everybody's gonna see like Little Uzi driving around Philly on one. Like realistically, that's what you're gonna
Shout out
see.
to Little Uzi who paid for that kid's college the other day
Yeah, I
in
know,
Philly.
yeah.
That was sick.
Yeah, he was like, "Yo, bro, I go to Temple," like which is cool because like that's like
Right here.
That's like a half
Hometown.
hour from us.
Hometown.
You know, like that's right around the corner for us. So which is always very cool. Anything else?
No, then we should move into this week's releases.
All right, this week's releases: Heat or Beat. Dub last week. Heat or Beat.
All right. First up on the 27th, we have the Cactus Plant Flea Market Nike Blazer U Sponge.
Nah, whack.
But here's the thing: they're customizable. You can't order them. You have to go to the Cactus Plant Flea Market pop-up in New York City.
Really?
And yeah, you get like different swooshes and different options. I don't know how exactly how it works, but I know they're customizable because every photo I've seen is different.
That's
and
very
And
interesting.
they showed parts on it. I think
I would like to know a little bit more about these.
they're
you know?
chopped too. You notice that? They're not. I don't think they're a full blazer. I think they're chopped.
Nah,
I'm not a fan.
they look like a mid blazer almost.
I think they're cool. I just don't. I don't want them.
No, I mean like they're interesting. Nike loves doing the customizable sneakers, obviously. So it'll be interesting to see online.
How
You
you
know,
think
but I
Ye-
don't think it's something I'd ever go
How do you
out of my
think
way.
Ye's gonna feel about this? He works with Cactus Plant all the time on merchandise.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the Kids See Ghost stuff.
Yeah, but
the
like
Sunday service stuff.
but Cactus Plant Flea Market, they've been doing like collabs with like Nike for a little bit now. You know.
True.
Like
That's
they,
true.
they did some
They-
Travis stuff. They did. I know they did some Converse, right?
I don't know if they did Converse, but they did the shoes that light up. Remember the ones with the wire? They were Air Max, and they had like the wire on them that everyone
sir.
wanted.
Yeah, I do. I do remember those.
Yeah. So moving on from that, I'm gonna say B on those. I just don't
Yeah,
understand
B.
the value of
B.
it. I think it's a cool idea, but I don't understand the value.
Yeah.
Also on the 28th, we have the Nike Daybreak in a faded purple with black swoosh. What do you feel about this for $100? I like this a lot, actually.
Yeah, they're cool. I feel like the Daybreaks are getting a little played right now.
Yeah, that's fair. Also on that day, we have two more colorways of that Daybreak. We have a black,
Ooh,
gray, and
whoa.
silver, and a light blue and gold.
The light blue with the gold check,
That's pretty sweet.
that's actually really dope.
Yeah,
That-
I like it.
No joke, that's actually something I would buy at that point, you know?
Yeah, I agree. But the purple, I don't know. I like the color purple. Shout out to my cousin Jane, the queen of purple. Anything that's purple, she'll buy it, regardless if it's for her or not.
Funny.
Um,
What else are we looking at here?
new color of the Nike Alpha Dunk, Pure Magic. It doesn't have a release date.
No release date quite yet. Okay.
This is the one that you liked last week. Remember that?
Nah, I mean, it must have been a different color, man. I don't
There
like,
was a different color.
I don't like.
It was the Back to Future playoff one.
Yeah,
remember?
yeah. I don't like how the swoosh is set up on those particularly. Ooh,
yeah,
this is a good one.
It's a light couple weeks, or a light couple days till September. So we're gonna hop right into September. On September 1st, the Pharrell Williams NMD Hue Trail X Adidas Sun Calm. Well, that's one colorway. That's pink. The No Soul, which is a highlighter green, and then they come in black too, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know. It's
Black
all
and a cream too.
black and a cream. There you go.
Yeah.
I really like the creams.
I like the creams a lot.
Oh,
and
I didn't realize that they had a gum sole
They do.
too. I like the
and
creams
I-
with the gum sole
and I
a lot.
actually really like the highlighter pair.
I don't know, man. Like I could never really get behind like anything highlighter colored, like in general. You know,
You wouldn't be a semi-frozen guy if you
I
if
am
you get them
absolutely
for a
not
good,
a semi.
good price. All right.
Semi-frozens are canceled.
You heard it here first. Semi-frozen are canceled. Also on the first for Pharrell Williams, you have the Adidas Solar Hue Low for 160 and a highlighted green, a bright red, a royal blue with baby blue hints, and a purple.
Beat. All four.
Really?
Beat. All four are beat.
It's Teddy, also known as Boost God, said these are the most comfortable shoe ever made. He said they're more comfortable than Ultra Boost, more comfortable than Yeezys, more comfortable than Free Hikers, which is a Boost hiking shoe, which actually come out this month too. I'll show you these.
Honestly, beat.
On the second, we have the Adidas Terex Free Hiker GTX. These are for hiking.
The gray, black, and like, what is that, like a baby blue?
Yeah, they're sick.
That's a cool colorway.
Imagine
a
hiking boot with Boost sole.
Yeah,
that's
right.
pretty awesome. Like,
yeah, I mean, it is pretty cool. Pretty ambitious.
yeah,
IMO.
it's pretty ambitious. And then on the 5th, we're gonna go a little further ahead. The off-white Nike waffle racers in 3 colorways. I hate these. The shoe is a great shoe. The sole is the stupidest, and this is.
It's a runner shoe, dude. It's a running shoe.
It's supposed to look like it's supposed to be track spikes.
They're not actual track spikes?
No, they're rubber, and they break down as you wear them. Supposedly.
Wait, what?
They're fake track spikes.
I thought they were real.
No, they're fake, bro.
I thought they were real.
They're completely fake track spikes.
Dude, I thought they were real.
Changes the whole perspective, right? That's why I found. Okay, I was like, all right. They must be coming out really limited. They're for track athletes, which is cool, but
yeah, it's insane. All right, so I think we're getting the red light.
Yeah,
that is the end of our heater beat.
Heat on the off whites are beat now that you know they're fake.
I still like them. I still like the white pairs coming out.
I like the white pair, but I would just chop it all off.
Take like a apple peeler, just take them all
literally.
off.
Cheese grater.
Literally. All right, y'all. Obviously, I'm Kevin.
I'm Bond.
We are on Bias. And I don't know if you guys were able to hear like squeaking throughout, but
the dogs are
we got
hanging
a
out.
Little Tig. Tig, come here.
Come here, Tig. Come on, get on camera.
Come on.
He's not gonna want to come on camera. He's gonna growl. He hates having his face. He's out. All right, guys. It's been fun.
Cameraman, can we get Tig in here a little bit? Just like show him.
How you gonna start a family with no bread and shit? What you bringing to the table, you ain't have shit. All the bitches you be
It's a
fucking
struggle.
with.
There it is. There he is.
What's up on Tig?
Little Tig.
All right, guys.
All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. We've been on Bias. Have a good week, and we'll talk soon.
Peace out.
Bye, y'all.
Yeah, it ain't my fault that you obsessed with this.